heating repair. We just got a call for a no AC. This unit was installed in 2018. Well, that's when it was manufactured, but it was installed last year, 2018. And I'm here. We didn't install it. Somebody else did. I'm not going to say who. But somebody else installed it, and I came back, or we just got a call today, and this thing is, I wouldn't say empty of Freon, but it's extremely low on refrigerant. There's a leak somewhere. We tried to find the leak. I cannot find it at this point. So we're going to see if it was just, we don't know what happened yet. Long story short, the leak should be found, or we need to add some sealant, some new Calgon. But it's hard to say because we don't have any baseline here. So this is really going to be our baseline to determine if we get a call later in the summer, we find it low again, then we know it's a huge leak. Or if it's okay, then it's a micron leak, and it might last. Maybe the install guy's goofed up. I don't know, to be honest with you. All I know is the equipment is almost all the same, but the installation is what matters, and that's what matters, is the installation. So when you get a bad installation on a brand new unit from 2018, and the next summer you get a call like this, the people who installed it, the installers, the installation makes a big difference. If they take pride in their work, and they know what they're doing. So that's what we found here today, unfortunately. But we're going to follow up with this customer too, make sure she's well. She's in the hospital now, so we're going to make her well aware of. Just do some follow up in a few days and make sure everything's okay. We may even swing back by here and take another peek, in a few weeks if she wants. So anyway, Chicago Heating Repair, 773-330-3600.